Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. It matters not how strait the gate, how charged with punishments the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.
Hello again. Dr. Cameron Todd here, ready to study some fresh start lifestyles, build your own freight broker business. We're going to go through all of the different steps that it takes to become a freight agent or a freight broker one at a time. This is mostly just going to be an overview, kind of give you an idea what you're in for, a little bit of the ins and the outs. We're going to take it step by step, and then we're going to break it down and isolate it into each element that you're going to need to perfect in order to make a good amount of money or a good living with the freight broker business. Course objectives here for the Fresh Start Freight Training Program. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know to successfully start up your own freight brokerage business. The course gives you the complete blueprint on how to do it properly, step by step. This includes everything you need to do from getting the correct licenses to doing effective marketing to expand your business. One of my favorite quotes from Mark Twain: 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones that you did do. So throw off the bow lines, sail away from that safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, and explore, dream, and discover. So how do freight brokers make money? Learn a little bit about shipper needs, experience, and connections, and how many number of loads each week you need to make. What is a freight or a trucking broker? We're going to learn the definitions, the impact the freight brokers have, freight brokers versus freight forwarders, and adaptability. Future role will freight brokers play? What future role will autonomous trucking technology have to do with it? Self-driving trucks, price of fuel, changes to the law, industry forecast. Today's freight industry has a lot of players, aspects that make up the industry. We're going to learn some of the transportation industry forecast of 2022. This is some of the subjects that we're going to approach every week when I do my YouTube special, live and via recording. Here are some of the players in the trucking industry. 6 types of people freight brokers will encounter. Shippers, those turn into customers. Consignees, this is where we deliver. Motor carriers, that's a trucking company. Freight forwarders are the warehouses that store the goods between the shipper and the carrier. Dispatchers, and of course 3PL or third-party logistics. Some of the jobs and responsibilities of a freight broker. Freight brokers are essentially the middlemen in the freight logistics industry. 4 of the essential jobs and responsibilities freight brokers run into are guaranteeing that the load is going to be delivered on time, collating the necessary paperwork, negotiating with the truck, which we'll cover in a separate video a little bit later on, ensuring that, again, the load is going to be taken care of, and that's via different insurance policies and things of that nature. Here are 10 key tasks that freight brokers must carry out. We have to learn to work with both the carriers and the shippers. We have to look for suitable carriers and make sure and process those. Make sure they have a correct background and insurance and paperwork. Prepare the documents and information that we're going to need to conduct the transfer of the freight. Keep in contact with the truck after it's loaded. Arrange for load storage in case of a spoiled or a load that isn't able to be delivered. Provide solutions to all the problems when they come up. Get confirmation from the truckers and consignees. Make sure we get paid on time and pay our trucks on time. Learn to promote your business and build relationships. Here are 11 essential skills a freight broker must have. First off, education and training. Several different ways to get education and training, including what you're going through right now, the videos, the soft and hardback books, the DVDs, and the live person-to-person training and the group training. Self-motivation. Every day when you get up, You've got to face that day and understand that you're going to pay that day with your time, and you're never getting that day back. Those minutes, those hours, you'll never get them back. So whatever you use them for, it needs to be something that takes you from where you are to where you want to be. You need to develop a strategic mindset. A mindset devoted and dedicated to the long-term goals that you've set for yourself. Be driven by results, not by activity. I mean, we can start at the beginning of a day and have the greatest of intentions and burn the whole day up and never accomplish anything. Be results driven. Customer oriented. Think about the customers. Constantly see what's best for the customer. Think of the next guy. Think from a proactive perspective. Be thinking 1 or 2 steps ahead of the next guy. Decisiveness. When you make a decision, act on that decision. Don't wait around forever. Building relationships. We need to build relationships every day, both with the shippers, the customers, and the carriers. We have to learn negotiation skills. Those negotiation skills, valuable, extremely valuable. There's no end to the amount of skills you needed in negotiating with the trucks and the shippers. Frequent communication. We're going to need to learn to pick up the phone and call. Make sure to keep the communication lines open. And flexibility. Nothing is ironclad. You can set out with the best of intentions in the world, and the day can just kind of go south on you. So be flexible. Here are 10 steps to becoming a successful freight broker. Get proper training and education. Give your business a good name. Incorporate your business from the beginning. Have a business plan ready. If you don't have one, we can develop one for you. Save enough funds to get started. Learn that it's not the first 30, 60, 90 days necessarily that you make the most money. It's a long-term goal. Obtain all your necessary licenses. Get your proper bond and insurance. Set up an office, even if it's just a home office. Spend time finding clients. Perform ongoing market efforts. And we can help you do all of that. We're going to talk a little bit about the license training requirements to become a freight broker. Some of the licenses are required licenses, educational requirements, important skills. Some of the licensing comes from the authorization of the FMCSA. Some of the training that you can do to get ready is some of the training you're doing right now. If you're working with the Fresh Start Freight program as an agent and you're kind of building your skill set up, like working for a local freight or trucking company, attend a freight broker class, you're doing that as well. You can also Google search and find freight broker training schools, but then again, I doubt if you would find one with so much hands-on as you've got right here. So these are some of the things you're doing actually right now. Okay, in detail, you submit some of the forms along with the $300 fee, and you can get you either your carrier or your broker number. Submit a BMC 85 or BMC 84 bond using a surety bond or trust fund agreement to prove the correct insurance, either way. When you fill the BOC3 form to prove that the process agent's been designated, then they start to file it. Interstate or interstate operating authority application, you can do that too. And you need to submit the Unified Carrier Registration, the UCR. Here are a few things on the surety bond. We're going to discuss the concepts behind the surety bond, or a simpler way to define it. How do surety bonds work? Well, they work in a straightforward way. The bond is backed by a surety, which means a deposit or finances. If you want to get a surety bond, you can also have financing. Alternative and disadvantages to surety bonds are, if you can't obtain financing, they generally go by 10%. So if you're doing a $75,000 surety bond, probably $7,500 or so, they'll bill you anywhere from $1,500, depending on your credit rating or a principal credit rating of one of your LLC members, up to 10%. So it could go as high as $7,500. So what you want to do is you want to work with somebody like Fresh Start Freight who's got connections, and they can help you consider which surety bond you'll need, and which category they'll come out of the 4 main categories, and possibly get you the lowest possible rate. Now, getting started to do this for real. Of course, being a freight agent's the first step, and after you've got your feet wet and have moved a few loads and decide that you're going to go ahead and obtain your own MC, or either build your own MC that you've got already, then we're going to help you with that step by step. One of the steps will be purchasing office equipment and supply. What you need and where should you go to get it? Well, electronics, a good place might be Amazon, Walmart, clearance items from Best Buy, Pricewise, Craigslist. Stationary items like Staples, Walmart, freelancing platforms. Business cards and promotional materials can come from GotPrint or VistaPrint. Freight broker software. We have some. We have TMS with ITS Dispatch. We also have a Send TMS. We are familiar with Avol Express, ShipHawk, FreightView, and ArcFreight. You can either do your accounting and bookkeeping yourself or hire an accountant. A good way to do it yourself would be QuickBooks. You can Google search and review for finding an accountant. Ask friends, ask your family, or someone got a lawyer in your group. You may find out that way. If you're doing it yourself, again, QuickBooks Pro, Sage 50, Xero, BillQuick, Patriot Accounting, Free Agent, Intact, Account Edge, and Zoho Books are a couple of options. Here's a wide open subject on how to get clients. The most important factor that will drive your business growth is clients. You need lots of clients to make more profits. So where can you find them? Well, along the heading of finding clients, you can start with your network of friends and family members, business acquaintances. You can pass out business cards. You can get free advertising on the net. Cold calling. You're going to have a completely different set of cold calling videos and cold calling scripts. And of course, you know you're going to be training cold calling live with Dr. Cam and the team. Here are 5 effective methods of finding new clients. Niche marketing. First, determine your favorite kind of freight. Flatbed, van, reefer, LTL. Work on that niche. And then call Amber and Amanda and get a one-on-one booked, and we'll discuss it. And I'll help you develop that niche marketing. Use the internet. Google. Find all kinds of different freight and start looking that way. Posting on freight boards. You know, we've got a bunch of freight boards out there. We've got, of course, you know, we've got Internet Truck Stop, DAT, and then you've got PostOnce.net that posts to 13 different load boards. So there's one way. Cold calling in person, cold calling on the phone. And, of course, having a network presence. You can advertise on your webpage. Now we'll take a more detailed look at niche marketing, which can help your business succeed. As we look at your 5-year marketing and advertising plan, we're going to have to try to determine your main focus. In other words, what is your why? How big do you want to grow and how fast? Do you need help designing your logo? You need help getting a website. As you know, the larger packages that we have websites included. Getting your business on all the social media platforms, we can help you get plugged into there. Use other marketing tactics such as Facebook and Instagram. The newspaper's not too far gone that it doesn't help every now and then. Internet advertising through YouTube. Choosing a niche market. Pick a niche based on different factors that you love. Types of shipments or shippers. Research on the market. Some of the benefits of niche marketing and knowing the ins and outs are the direction of your business. Which way you want to go. You want to go more with a streamlined day-to-day business, or do you want to go build a team that's going to help you build the staff to build a long-term relationship and grow your client base? Plan for staffing down the road. Carry out reviews of your carrier files and see if any of those might want to be investors or work with you to expand the business. Statistics and facts on the freight broker industry. In the U.S. alone, there are over 80,000 freight brokers and agents. Approximately 60% of all the goods moved in the country are transported by trucks. At some point, almost every single piece of cargo in transit between a shipper and a receiver moves in a truck. Millions of carrier trucks make journeys every single day, and up to 70% of all retail and manufactured goods are moved by truck. Every year in the U.S. trucking industry brings in over $600 billion. Here with the final thoughts, you now know exactly what you need to do and what's required of you to make your freight brokerage business successful, not just in the short term, but in the long term as well. One area we didn't touch upon was what rates you should charge your clients, and we'll be talking about that on subsequent videos and the weekly videos. I can't tell you exactly how much to charge your clients. This all depends on the cost of your carrier and other factors. Just remember to leave enough money in your estimates so that you can compensate yourself. I want to say thank you. It's Dr. Cameron Todd saying welcome, and we will be working with you daily, weekly, and in the months to come to help you build your business, either as an agent or your own MC business, and build that sales funnel up as quickly and as busy and as large as you want to. Make it a great day.